Hello and welcome back. So it's the Revell Audi R10 TDI. This is the 1/24th car, 105 parts, and it comes with paints, brush, glue, and the 3D puzzle diorama, because this is the gift set Le Mans, which I'm building for the Le Mans 24 hours, which is happening this month. You can see here it has decoration for both driver teams, and tension on the other side, and some detailed pictures on this side, including the diorama base which you can build, and some information there about how this is the first diesel car to win Le Mans. Let's see what's inside. So inside the box we've got another box. Got a bunch of silver sprue. So 1, 2, 3 bags. Instructions, decals I assume are in there, some tyres, and the 3D puzzle display base parts. Got the paints and glue, so it comes with steel, clear gloss, aluminium, black, Italian red, and silver, and then quite like these Revell glues. Having found success in the 80s and 90s in rallying and touring cars, the German manufacturer Audi directed their attention towards endurance racing, and specifically the 24 Hours of Le Mans. They found success right out of the gate, claiming third place in the 1999 race with their R8. The R8 would then go on to claim 3 outright wins in a row. Bentley took the top step in 2003, but as it was also part of the VW group, some nicknamed the Speed 8 the Green Audi. After winning twice more in 2004 and 5, the team then adopted a new challenge. With the rise of alternative fuels and powertrains, the new R10 would use a turbo diesel V12 engine. It was not the first diesel at Le Mans, but it was the first to win, with Biela, Pirro and Werner's number 8 car taking the win. Audi would then claim more wins with the R10, R15 and R18, and with 13 wins in total, they rank second overall, just behind the 19 of German rivals Porsche. Here's the instructions, full colour, that's nice. Safety information on there, some information about colours, parts, and here are the step-to-step instructions. This does have a full V12 engine included. More mechanical parts. More mechanical parts, bit of the bodywork here, steering wheel. This is from the era where Le Mans prototypes had open cockpits. Here we are, headlights. Information there about the different teams for number 8 or number 7. And there we have different decal settings there, and you see there number 7 needs a yellow roll hoop section instead of red. So let's have a look inside here. Moulded in silver. This one here, we've got part of the undercarriage, got the seat with some moulded seat belts, some aerodynamic parts. I think that's part of the dashboard. Can't see any flash on here, so that's good. I think this is part of the tub. Some sort of buttons there maybe. Radiators. I think that's part of the rear wing. And then we've got the floor here. Got some aerodynamic parts here. And on this as well you can see Revell 2007. So we've got some suspension parts in this one. Very fine, so we'll need to be careful with those not to snap them. Okay, this one we've got some brakes, no slots in those, which is a bit of a shame. I think that might be more sort of engine details. I think that's the steering wheel, very strange shaped steering wheel. Some more engine detail here, molded in Audi logos. Got the wheels. Wing mirrors. And some more engine detail here, including the diesel V12. Lots of parts for those. Careful with this one. So we've got some parts here. I think that's the kind of aero screen. Got some. I think those are brake lights. I think those are headlight covers. These look like radiators, but I'm not sure. We've got some little lights there as well. Keep those safe. So 2 parts here. It's actually a really nice finish. Does look quite plasticky though. Here you can see there how this has the openings for the 2 seats. These aren't open, which is unfortunate. Headlights there. I think these ones. I think that the Le Mans cars of this era look very much like Formula 1 cars with covered wheels. Yeah, there we are. Interesting. We've got the tyres here. These are Michelin's. Slicks with no mould seams down the middle, so that's quite nice. And then you've got slightly thicker rear tyres compared to the front tyres. Okay, then we've got the decal sheet here. This is very, very nice quality. 24 Heures du Mans 2006. Seatbelt decals. These aren't actually carbon fibre. We've got the decals for both set of drivers. So it was the team of Biela, Piero and Werner who won the race, although Christensen has since become the most successful driver in Le Mans history. There we have it, very nice high quality decal sheet there. In Italy, so cartographed presumably. On closer inspection you can actually see that these are carbon fibre. So these ones down here, carbon fibre, and these ones are the grey colouring for the car. So you will need to paint part of the car red or yellow, depending on what. And then we've got the display base parts. You can see here this one is looks like wood, and on the other side we've got some instructions. So I'll open this up, see what's inside. So, this wooden base folds out. We've got some Armco barriers there, got some pretend tyres, got some fencing there. These are actually double-sided as well. Then on this one we've got a little name plaque, got a road, which again folds out like so. Some more Armco. And this one here folds out to make the Dunlop bridge. That's interesting. We'll have to see how good this looks when it all goes together. It might look incredibly fake, but yeah, still, it's certainly something I've never done before. So there we have it, the 2006 Le Mans winner. I'll be building this in the build up to this year's race. Thank you very much for watching, and please do leave a comment. Have you built one of these? What did you think of it? Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.